Welcome to SB Frequency Events. We're an AV company, and by AV we mean audio visual. Yes, audio visual company. And we are into sound, lights, stage, LED screens, video, and accessories. So call us for any of your installation needs, consultation needs, rental needs, configuration needs, and so on and so forth that has to do with audio visual. For your installation needs, we have different packages. So if you want us to give you an estimate of what your equipment purchase and installation will be, you can call us for that. If you want us to help you with consultation and installation and equipment purchase also, we can also help you with that. That way, we are with you all through your journey from your building process to when the installation is finally done. If you want us to journey with you and do a system design for you as professionals, where we will show you where the LED screens will be, stage lights will be, the sound system will be. That way, if it doesn't work well with your aesthetics, you can see it from now, and we can discuss this professionally and come up with something that really works for your design and for your facility. You can actually call us for that. We can also advise you on what kind of flooring to do, what kind of ceilings to do, what kind of chairs to get, that would all work together for your sound system to give you a good media installation. We can also support you when it comes to your power needs. We will tell you what generator capacity will be required, and even if it's solar systems that you will need for your entire media production. So that way you can plan every little bit of your media installation from scratch with us. We also are into audio education. Yes, we run audio engineering courses, so you can call in for any of your training packages. We're here for you to serve you. Yes, we are the best media professionals that you can work with. We have professionals that are trained in and out of the country on sound, lights, screens, video, cameras, everything that has to do with your media installation. Call us today and have professional quality value for your money that will last you the test of time.